People, good day, good day. Don't know say a new link production there, see me? I mean, I say big up to all of my normal fans them. Yeah man, I don't know the loyal subscriber them. You understand? So right now, just come for talk, you know. And when I come for talk, I talk. You get what me I say? I'm so talking. So right now, I say what I go on now with Tommy Lee and Sean Kingston, that thing there. You know, so Jamaica people still, differently still. It's not easy, you know. John when to check you out because big man thing, nothing wrong with that. When I see man come so boom, as a bridging to bridging thing, bridging to bridging a yard me there. And enough time bridging I come and say, yo, what I go and touch in your head, nothing wrong with that. You sleep a bridging leak in your head, you do it. You get what me I say? But just because I Sparta man now, I don't know say the man there is a celeb, them all do them thing there and bash man. But nothing wrong with that, you get what me I say? Nothing wrong with that man. Big man thing, nothing wrong with that. And when I see this little fag boy named Jamaican P, did he come talk about the man family, I suck your boy Jamaican P if you go in a boy. You sound like some big batty waste man a foreign in a idiot boy Jamaican P. You want to come this up a Sparta than, eh? You have to go in a boy. Because once you this Sparta, you this me. You see me I say? Once you this the Sparta, you this me. Because Sparta man say for life. You get what me I say? You have to go. Your boy there foreign, I come and I post up about man I suck wood and this and that. And one part you say when me have a problem with and the part when I say about the other idiot waste boy what they say me Casanova and because them boy they are waste boy to me now. You see me I say, so I need not to advertise them boy upon my channel again. You understand? But you boy now we come and diss up the people them now and I talk about family, I suck wood and them fuck with the boy. Eh? Your boy Jamaican P if you know your bum buckle itself. Pussy. I know say you stuck a foreign and can't come back to Jamaica either, you know. I know that you're not pussy. You have to know yourself, man. The company thing I come and diss up the man, but family a batty man and waste man and hey boy you fit. That your boy don't even know, you know. Eh? And you have some like idiot yo. Just you don't even know because your man ready for anything in a boy. You see me? Call the idiot boy named Jamaican Fag P. Eh? The boy got kill yourself, man. Because people might tell them this nothing no wrong with that. You get what me I say? Bridging to bridging. You have your bridging, you touch him in the head. A simple thing. Them they are no fish thing and we know that too. You get what me I say? So people are going to bash the man and think, no, me not bash no Tamale. I'm not bash no Sean Kingston. You see me I say? Because me personally say the Tamale Sparta man a real gangster and gallus. You see how much pit that the man bring for earth. And I say that. Eh? Someone look at waste boy and even have a picnic for sure and I'm going to think you can't talk about his step, you know. When you can't talk about the floor, you know. I just the step when you can't talk about it, you know, because not set nothing, you know. What I'm telling you, man, I'm so bad, man. You hear that? I'm so bad. Listen to that. Some people, you know, just telling a friend about the channel, because be vibes they go on there and I say, you know. You see me? And look at waste boy them over there say, you know. You see me? We don't pay them the mind, you know. And look at waste boy full black shit. Go and talk pussy. You hear? Just as a big up on yourself and big up to the whole of the subscribers them and when you say we're there and new link production a cool out still if you go up on the road soon. You see me I say, I don't know say tomorrow half day so I'll be things tomorrow and thing we go drink up some liquor and all that vibe. You get what me I say? Just big up to the whole of my loyal fans them and stay tuned to the new link production because be a thing I go on and so you see me, I'm so bad. Yeah man, big up on yourself my people. Subscribe.